Hello homies, of course, this is your Queena. Yan, Reyna Vihera, and now we are here for my another event. At grabe, just ko, hindi ko alam na ganito pala dito kalayo. But then anyway, just go. Parang kami nag-hiking. Today we're gonna do this event hosting for a 60 years wedding anniversary of one of our client. Yan dito sa Calantas, Rosario, Batangas. Diyos mío, may amores. I cannot believe na gano'n pala talaga katindi yung kalsada. Diyos ko. Parang nagka-caterpillar, gano'n. Tapos, basta, grabe. But anyway, hopefully this event will go perfect and smooth like always. So, yeah, let's check it out later.
Make promises, cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. I never make promises, cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. Cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. I never make promises, cause I don't keep them. I already miss you. Message sa ating mga mahal sa buhayan gamit ang written, syempre natin sinasaluhan ngayon na yung envelope, sinasaluhan natin. Ngayon ang message din po ng dalawa para sa isa, kailangan din natin yung saluhan.